I'm very happy right now because what we have prepared for the last year, it's happening right now. Last year, we had the largest event ever, but we could see there was potential for more. And now looking at this, the atmosphere, the hype when you're walking into the tent or joining a live demo flight or going to some of the presentations, you can just feel the engagement for all the participants. That is making me both happy but also proud. Everybody is here. The diversity for a successful drone event is very important. That we are gathering people from different sectors, drone industry, academia, public authorities. These three things are so important if we would like to succeed within drone technology development. What I really noticed is the willingness to discuss collaboration. Collaboration is key, and definitely that's been a key point here. We're facing global challenges. In many ways, technology is part of the solution. We have a platform here to meet each other, to establish relations, to discuss collaboration and make things happen. Looking back to the last 2 days of the International Drone Show, I'm very proud of that we have created an event where we are discussing innovation, technology development, and we are doing it together in a global community. I'm very proud of to be part of it and also to have the honor to host it. We're also looking forward to create an International Drone Show next year, standing upon the shoulders upon this we have done this year. Maybe larger, but what is most important, with even greater impact.